beautiful little JCB 3CX Backhoe. Machine's equipped with cab and air, extend-a-hoe, 4-wheel drive, auxiliary hydraulics. Up in the front, it's got a hydraulic quick coupler up front. 4-wheel drive, always nice. This machine actually has a set of forks available for it as well. Hydraulic quick coupler in the front, bucket and forks available depending on how you want it. The original paint, this thing is about as clean as we've seen one. It's supposed to have around 3,000 and some change hours on it. About a 24-inch digging bucket in the back. Engine burns real clean. Good tires all the way around. We get a lot of these machines in weekly, monthly, and really hard to find them as clean as what this one is. It's got the 2-stick controls in the back for to operate the backhoe, which I personally really like.